Shut up.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Let me just keep it. Is it stalling?
Yeah.
Just keep going.
Somebody.
Peyton. Peyton, just stop.
We're on the grass.
Jaya!
Huh? 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 What's that? I missed that.
Stop for a minute, please.
Yes, Dad.
I don't know how long this goes.
I think just up to that sign. I can see the line, so just keep slowly going. Hey, what are you doing? Recording.
Come on, man. the sound and junk. It's just throwing me off.
There's lots of water.
I know.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Oh! Yes!
Shh, don't say anything yet.
Look at the way that stuff is just bouncing against that.
Slow. Not real slow, crap.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, Lord. You guys want to go swimming?
No, there's not. Now is not the time to make jokes.
He's gonna go swimming in there. But there's no more water to swim
You gonna be alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm good.
Jai? What did we just do?
Play Noah's Ark.
I know. We made it through
Made it through what?
the water.
Where'd the water come from?
Find the wind! Find the wind!
Oh, shut up.
No, I'm just. Can you hand me my phone? I gotta call my mom.